The 12-move shock, Spassov's quick resignation in the Benko Gambit. Imagine sitting across from a world-class grandmaster, and then, in just 12 moves, you're forced to resign. Today, we're diving into a short but deadly game from Sochi 1977, where Andras Adorjan unleashes a Benko Gambit that leaves Spassov stunned and without hope, long before the middle game even began. First move white begins with d4, then black replies with knight f6. White begins with the queen's pawn opening, aiming for central control. Black responds with the flexible knight to f6, ready to strike at the center. Second move white plays c4, then black replies with c5. Already aggressive, black challenges white's pawn on d4 with the symmetrical defense idea, preparing to enter Benko territory. Third move white plays d5, then black replies with b5. Here it is, the Benko Gambit. Black sacrifices a pawn to open lines on the queen side. In return, they get long-term pressure against white's queenside pawns. Fourth move white plays knight f3, then black replies with g6. White calmly develops, declining to grab the b5 pawn immediately. Black prepares a kingside fianchetto, a hallmark of the Benko. Fifth move to white plays g3, then black replies with bishop g7. White signals their own fianchetto, aiming for a solid kingside. Black places the bishop on g7, pointing directly at the center and queenside. Sixth move white plays bishop g2, then black replies with d6. Both sides are solidifying their setups. Black's d6 reinforces c5 and prepares for central counterplay. Seventh move white plays c takes b5, then black replies with a 6. White finally captures the pawn, but here's the Benko spirit. Black immediately attacks with a 6, planning to rip open the file. Eighth move white plays b, takes a 6, then black replies with queen a5 check. Check, a forcing move that begins to disturb white's harmony. The queen jumps into the attack early, and white must be careful. Ninth move white plays knight c3, then black replies with knight e4. The knight lands on a central outpost, already attacking c3 and f2. This is a thematic Benko pressure point. 10th move white plays queen c2, then black replies with knight takes c3. White steps out of danger while defending, but black exchanges on c3, shattering pawn structure potential and keeping initiative. 11th move white plays bishop d2, then black replies with queen a4. The queen takes aim at the a2 pawn, the attack intensifies. Every black piece is active, while white is struggling to coordinate. 12th move white plays b3, then black replies with queen e4. And here's the shocker, the queen lands on e4 with devastating effect, hitting both a one rook and threatening multiple tactics. White takes one look and resigns. Why did Spassov resign? At first glance, you might wonder, why give up so soon? But hear the truth. The rook on a1 is gone, no defense possible. The king is stuck in the center, with weak light squares. Black's development is miles ahead, and white's queenside is collapsing. Resisting would only prolong the inevitable. This game is a perfect example of how activity can outweigh material. The Benko Gambit, when played sharply, can create crushing pressure in just a few moves. If you love short, tactical master classes like this, hit the like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments, what's the shortest game you've ever lost or won?